Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank you for my lecturer, Ma'am Ati Sumiati and Mr. Maulana Amirul Adha, who have helped and guide me to complete this research. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizka Melia Rinjani from the Faculty of Economics, Office Administration Education Study Program. Today, I want to present the result of my research entitled the effect of learning motivation and self-potential on student interest in continuing their education at SMKN in East Jakarta. Table of content. Have one background, problem formulation, research purpose, supporting theory, framework theory, hypothesis, research method, and technique analysis data. Background. Interest in continuing education to higher education at vocational school is still relatively low. There is a view that vocational schools are more likely to prepare students to directly enter the world of work. The shift in the educational paradigm has opened a wider door for vocational school graduates to continue their education to a higher level. The opportunity arises because college not only provide more in-depth knowledge, but also open their door to access to a wider range of career opportunity. Fatima states that the interest in continuing education to higher education is a great requirement or aspiration that students have to develop their knowledge and skill after completing their education in high school or vocational. Paradipta said that learning motivation is an environment that arises from within the individual as well as external factors that are able to move students to achieve their desired learning goals through the implementation of certain action or activity. Self-potential is one of the factors that has a great influence on student interest in continuing their education to higher education and awareness of one potential that can be expanded and developed in college can be a powerful impetus for students to pursue a higher level of education. Problem formulation have three. The one is there an influence of learning motivation on interest in continuing education to higher education? Problem two is there an influence of self-potential on interest in continuing education to higher education? Problem three is there an influence of learning motivation and self-potential in interest in continuing education to higher education? Research purpose. Purpose 1. To determine the influence of learning motivation is an interest in continuing education to higher education at SMKN in East Jakarta. Purpose 2. To determine the influence of self-potential is an interest in continuing education at SMKN in East Jakarta. And the purpose 3. To determine the influence of learning motivation and self-potential is in an interest in continuing education to higher education at SMKN in East Jakarta. Supporting theory. Theory of planned behavior of TPB. According to adjacent in Lestari, the theory of planned behavior is one of the theory that is often applied in an effort to understand individual behavior. As per his statement, interest is considered a variable that influences an individual's behavior by indicating their level of willingness to try and the amount of work they want to do demonstrate that behavior. Theory of interest in continuing education to higher education of variable Y. According to Agostina and Afriana and Slamato, interest is a constant tendency to pay attention and remember activity that interests a person to be noticed constantly accompanied by a sense of pleasure. Theory interest in continuing education to higher education have a factor, aspect, and indicator. Factor from Wahyuni have an internal factor and external factor. An aspect from Harvard have a cognitive aspect and affective aspect. An indicator from Slameto have 7 indicators. There is a feeling of joy, there is a desire, there is a attention, there is an interest, there is a need, there is a hope, and there is an encouragement and ability. Next, supporting theory, variable learning motivation. According to Purwanto Indawai and Yahya and Saputri, learning motivation is psychological condition that encourage a person to move toward positive goals as well as change self-outlook behavior to achieve life desires. Learning motivation have factors, features, and indicators. Factor for Same and Navi have internal factor and external factor. A feature for Sadirman have a perserve in facing tasks, tenacious in facing difficult, show interest in a variety of issues, prefer to work independently, get bored quickly with routine tasks, can define his opinion. It's not easy to let go of something you believe in, enjoy finding and solving problems. And the indicator from Saputro have 6 indicators. The one is there is a desire and desire to success. There is encouragement and need for learning. There are hope and aspiration for the future. There is appreciation in learning. There are interesting activity in learning. And there is a conducive learning environment. And supporting theory, self-potential variable. According to Fatima, Wahyuni, and Yuliani, self-potential refers to the capability that exists in a person that have not been fully utilized to achieve the desired goals. Self-potential have factors, types, and indicators. Factors from Amalia and Rahmat have internal factor and external factor. And types from Nasori in Kuzeima and one have 4 types. The one is intellectual potential, emotional potential, physical potential, and spiritual potential. An indicator from Yuliani have 5 indicators. The one is like to learn and is willing to see his own shortcomings and have a flexible attitude, dare to make change for improvement, don't want to blame other people or circumstance, and the last have a sincere attitude. Framework theory. Learning motivation on interest in continuing education at higher education. Research by Ramadan with the title The Influence of Parent Socioeconomic Status and Learning Motivation on interest in continuing study to higher education. Study on Padang National Vocational School Study. The result of this study show that learning motivation has a significant effect on the interest in continuing study to higher education of Padang National Vocational School students. Framework, theory self-potential or interest in continuing education at higher education, research by Angelina, with the title The Influence of Self-Efficacy, Self-Potential, Parental Support, Tuition, and School Environment on Interest in Continuing Education to Higher Education in Grade 11, student at SMK Negeri Upasi Junjung. The result of this study show that self-potential has a significant effect on interest in continuing education to higher education. Framework theory, learning motivation and self-potential on interest in continuing education at higher education. Research by Widodo with the title The Influence of Motivation, Self-Potential and Socioeconomic Condition on Interest in Continuing Higher Education. The result of this study showed that there is a positive influence of motivation on interest in continuing higher education, and there is a positive influence between self-potential and interest in continuing higher education. The next is hypothesis. have three hypotheses. The one is learning motivation influence student interest in continuing their education to college. And hypothesis two, subpotential influence student interest in continuing their education to college or to higher education. Hypothesis three, learning motivation and subpotential influence student interest in continuing to higher education. Research method. Time and research bias. The research period from March to July 2024. The place in SMKN 51 Jakarta, SMKN 10 Jakarta, dan SMKN 48 Jakarta. Population and sample this research was in 144 class 12 MPLB student in 3 Jakarta State Vocational School. Their research sample was taken using a professional random sampling technique with the Slovene formula and resulting in 105 samples. Research method. This research was conducted using a survey method with a quantitative approach and using primary data. And collection technique data. The data collection technique used this research is proportional random sampling use questionnaire. The technique analysis data, the one is analysis statistics descriptive, and normality test and linearity test, multicollinearity test and heteroscedasticity test, partial regression coefficient test or t-test, simultan regression coefficient test or f-test, and determination coefficient test. Data description. SMKN 51 Jakarta had 26 students with a percentage of 25%. SMKN 10 Jakarta had a 53 students with a percentage 50%, and SMKN 48 Jakarta had 26 students with a percentage of 25%. The number of respondents was selected based on the number of class in each school. SMKN 51 Jakarta has a one class of 12 MPLB, and SMKN 10 Jakarta has two class 12 MPLB, and SMKN 48 Jakarta has one class 12 MPLB. The number of respondents in this study was dominated by women. Number is 97 people with a percentage of 92%, while male respondent number 8 people with a percentage of 8%. This is because the FLB major is on average dominated by female study. Instrument test. Interest variable interest in continuing education to higher education or variable Y. Testing of validity and reliability test instrument on 30 respondents by filling in questionnaire using Likert scala assessment standard based on the result of the validity trial in testing the instrument for interest in continuing education to higher education. A trial was carried out with 30 respondents who had a table value of 361 with 22 statement items. The result obtained were 19 invalid items, while 3 items were dropped, namely statement number 1, 2, and 10, which have R count a table value of 220, 0195, and 0124. Thus, the items used as the final test were 19 items. Based on the reliability test, it can be seen that the reliability result for the variable interest in continuing to college or higher education have converged alpha value 0.896 more 6060, so it can be concluded that the reliability of the variable interest in continuing education to college is co-reliable. Instrument test variable learning motivation based on the result of the validity trial in the learning motivation instrument test. A trial was carried out with 30 respondents who had an affable value 0.361 with 20 statement items. The result of time were 18 valid items will 2 times were dropped. And based on the reliability, it can be seen that reliability results for the learning motivation have a current batch of a value of 0.908 more than 0.60, so it can be concluded that the reliability of the variable interest in continuing education to college or higher education is called reliable. Instrument test self-potential or based on the result of the validity trial in the self-potential instrument test. A trial was part of 30 respondents who had an acceptable value of 0.361 with 18 statement items. The result of them were 16 valid items, while 2 items were dropped. And based on the reliability test, it can be seen that the reliability result on the personal of self-potential variable have a current batch of a value of 0.877 more than 0.60, so it can be concluded that the reliability of the variable interest in continuing education to college is called variable. Description statistics. The variable interest in continuing education at higher education. This is from the result of questionnaire the standardized scale assessment have 105 data with a mean 83.7, median 83, modus 81, and standard deviation 4379, variance 19178, and range 18, minimum 74, maximum 92, and the sum is 8,722. Learning motivation. Variable learning motivation have a valid data have a 105 with mean and 75.79 and the median 76, modus and 75, standard deviation is 7,412, variance in 50,004, 1936, and range in 29, minimum in 60, and maximum is 89, and the sum is 7,1958. And the self-potential variable have valid data in 105 and mean 67, 17, and median in the 68, modus in 68, and standard deviation is 7271, variance in 52874, and range 27, minimum 43, and maximum 80, and the sum is 7053. And the next is normality test, Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. The normality test criteria is that when the sigma value is more 0.005, the residual value is normally distributed. And the test have a 2, 0, 0, and that's the normally distributed. The normality test criteria is that when data spread around the diagonal line and follow the diagonal direction, that the regression model meet the normality assumption. Linearity test. X1 to Y, the criteria for this linearity test are if the sig value deviation from linearity is more 0.05, and the X2 to Y, the criteria for this linearity test are if the sig value deviation from linearity is more 0.05. Multiple linearity test. If the tolerance value is more 0.01 and the PIF value is low, then there is no multiple linearity regression model. Based on the result of table of the multiple linearity test coefficient test, it can be seen the tolerance of the learning motivation and personal potential variable is 0.314 more than 0.1 and the PIF value is 3.189, low is 10. So it can be said there are no symptoms of multiple linearity in the regression model of this research. So the regression model has met the assumption test classic multiple linearity. Heteroskedasticity test. This heteroskedasticity test was carried out using the Spearman-Wurth test. The decision-making criteria for the Spearman-Wurth test are sent from the signification value in the correlation output. If the significance value is more 0.05, then there are no symptoms of heteroskedasticity. The next is multiple regression test. Based on the table result, the following multiple linear regression equation is obtained. Based on the table multiple regression test, and the content value is 49 to 99, meaning that if learning motivation and personal potential are zero, then the student interest in continuing their education to college or higher education is 49 to 99. Hypothesis testing. F or F test atau simultan test. If F count more F table, then the independent variable has a joint effect with the independent variable. From the F test table, it can be seen that the F count is 66, 9, 36. The F table value can be found in the statistical table at signification level of 0.05. The DF2 based on the data above the F count, which means that there is influence between learning motivation and personal potential and the study interest in continuing to higher education. Hypothesis testing, the test or partial test. If the counting more table, then there is a partial relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable. Based on output obtained, the table can be seen at signification level of 0.05. The learning motivation variable has a T-count value of 3.810 more than 1.660, and the personal potential variable has a T-count value of 2.9 161 more than 160. So there is an influence on the hypothesis is affected. Coefficient of determination S or R squared. The coefficient of determination test is used to measure how much a model is able to explain the dependent variable based on the coefficient of determination test table. It can be seen the x squared is 0.568. So it can be conclude the learning motivation and self-potential explain 56.8% of the influence of study interest in continuing their education to higher education, while the remaining 43.2% is influenced by other factors not examined by researchers. Discussion: the influence of learning motivation of studying interest in continuing education to higher education based on the hypothesis test. It can be seen that there is influence learning motivation on interest in continuing education to higher education among class 12 MPLB student at SMKN 51 10 48 Jakarta. These results are in line with research proposed by Susanto, Admin, and Agustina, concerning Miro, that the learning motivation variable has a positive and significant effect on the interest variable in continuing education to college. And the influence of some potential of student interest in continuing education to higher education based on the hypothesis test, it can be seen that there is influence of some potential on interest in continuing education to higher education among kelas 12 and 12 student at SMK 51, 10, dan 48 Jakarta. This result and in line with research proposed by Angelina, Suryani, Wahyuni, and Fatima that the self-potential has a significant influence on interest in continuing education to higher education. And the influence of learning motivation and self-potential on studying interest in continuing education to higher education based on the F test, the F table value is 309, while the calculate F has a value of 66,936. So it's known that the calculate F value is greater than the F table. From this explanation, it can be concluded that learning motivation and self-potential simultaneously influence student interest in continuing their education to college. In line with research conducted by Widodo and Sari Indriani, it's known that the influence of learning motivation and personal potential variable interest in continuing higher education has a positive direction. And the conclusion, after analyzing the data from the research that has been carried out based on empirical conclusion obtained from statistical data processing, description, and discussion that have been carried out in the previous chapter, that the researcher conclude that 1. There is a significant and positive influence between learning motivation and student interest in continuing their education to higher education, indicating that the higher learning motivation, the stronger the students' encouragement to continue their education to higher education. And the two conclusion, there is a significant and positive influence between self-potential and student interest in continuing their education to college. The more students develop their potential, the higher their interest in continuing their education to college. And the conclusion 3, there is a proven positive and significant influence between learning motivation and self-potential and student interest in continuing their education to college. They show that the higher the learning motivation and personal potential, the greater the possibility that students will have an interest in continuing their education to college. Thank you for your attention. That's all the present of my research. Thank you for your attention. I hope this research can be useful for students and everyone who watch this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.